Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use COUNTX and FILTER in Power BI to count rows based on specific conditions. This is part of using DAX counting functions to analyze your data more effectively. COUNTX is a powerful function that lets you evaluate an expression across a table and count rows where the result meets your criteria. It's really useful when you want to count something specific, like only the products that have a unit price above a certain amount. You can combine it with the filter function to narrow down your data before counting, so you're not just looking at the entire table, but only the rows that match your condition. For example, imagine you have a data set of library supplies with order dates, client names, product names, and quantities. With COUNTX and FILTER, you can quickly see how many orders meet a specific condition, like products over a certain price or orders from a specific client. This makes analyzing trends and understanding your data much easier. You can also use these functions to count non-blank entries or distinct values when needed, giving you more insight into your dataset. And that's how you can use COUNTX with FILTER to count rows in Power BI. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for more Power BI tips and tutorials.